Good morning, everyone. What's happening? Oh, let me change to a different account here. I think I have another one. I scalped this morning on this huge drop. What the hell is going on, right? Okay. Marco, good morning. June, good morning. Crazy morning. Yeah, the Mad Scalper, 200 points in 5 minutes. Yeah. Absolutely unbelievable. 5-minute candle with 200 points. Look at this. This one, 270, 250-ish points on a 5-minute candle. Absolutely insane what the market does. And since the Sunday open, we dropped 1,000 points, 1,043 points in this morning. Absolutely mental. This is mental. There's nothing else to say. I mean, total crazy. Totally crazy. So look at this. The midnight open was above 18,000 and now we went down to 300. Oh my god. Absolute crazy. But anyways, if you look at the daily chart, you know, it took out this sell side liquidity. Great. Next level on the daily, we have to look at the daily now. Next level here would be, well, 17,195 is the next sell side. All right, took that out too. Everything has been deleted. Good morning, Parminder. Good morning, Simple Peter. What's up, guys? Hope you guys had a great weekend. We just came back for a crazy drop. Yeah, more than 1,000 points. Actually, absolute crazy. And just look at that. Since the Friday close, actually, I mean the Sunday open, 1,035 points. Since Friday, 1,179. That is absolute mental. Good morning, Marco. And Mary is here. Good to see you, everybody. So, yeah, it's definitely super dangerous right now to trade. But, you know, we do like danger. Danger is in our mind, in our mindset. But anyway, absolute crazy moves. I was also checking, I know it sounds crazy, but I was checking the 5-second chart to see how candles are printing. And I think we could test the 596 for a healthy retracement, but who knows? What a move. What a move. Da-da-da. Yeah, why not? I made more than this morning. I'm gonna close it. No, I'm not. This is an evaluation account, of course. I was doing the same thing while it was dropping. Is the one that you guys see above my head. Made a little bit more than $600 or $700 on this drop, but you know, with micro, I don't think it wants to go back to it. No, it's just trying to catch a falling knife here. Almost impossible. Even with one micro. How's the position looking? Not good, right? Money Patcher, morning, Bloody Monday is happening. Absolute Bloody Monday. This is a classic Bloody Monday. Yeah, yeah. I think he wants to go down further. Almost. Yeah, should go. Should go. There you go. So yeah, absolutely Bloody Monday. Totally. Totally. Monday, Bloody Monday. All right, let's see what the 1 minute shows. What did I just do? All right. Nothing. This is gonna go up there, or what? I mean, this is typically the area where, you know, we don't know absolutely what's gonna happen. And definitely have to be more cautious. What if we go down to 195? I think we can. The sell-off can continue at a great deal. But we do have volume. I entered to another short to see if this one starts to fall once more with the very tight one. I'm not giving back more profits on this evaluation account. I had some good spike to the downside. I might go into, you know, choose it. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna leave this account for now because I don't want to give back more profits. Yeah, only trade evaluation account, guys. This is the only thing I do here. I actually am gonna choose a different evaluation account. I have a new one here. Am I gonna go with this? I made about 600 on that other one. I don't want to give back more. So far we are ranging. We're just ranging. But this drop can obviously continue to the downside again. So gotta be careful, everybody. Simeon, good morning, because one candle, oh yeah, one candle can be easily 100 points. And go with micros, everybody. If you're into something crazy, just go with micros. 1 or 2 micros, maybe 3, but 1, 2 micros is more than enough on this crazy volatility. No major sign of, you know, retracement to some higher levels right now. It's still a falling knife. So I'm gonna wait for an opportunity here. We narrowed down. The question is it going to keep continuing to drop? I think it could. Or, you know, quite the opposite. I'm gonna let you guys know if One more level is down there at 195. So that could be happening. This is not normal market right now. I think the drop was because Bloomberg said the South Korean index dropped like, I don't know, like 8% or something. They're suspended trading or whatever. Anyway. So gotta be careful. I think we could go and take a retest of this 84. So careful with that, obviously. There is a level at 97, I think. Yeah, there you go. 97 is a fair value gap. It might want to retest it right here. But I don't know. I don't know. I would be scared to go long here, guys. This is a little bit scary to go long in this area. George, good morning. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Is this a new account? Yeah, this is a new account, but in the I have another one this morning. Not this one. This is a funded. No, I have another one. This evaluation today, I made so far a few $100 on this drop with micros. So this is also an evaluation that you see right now. But since I made this, I don't think I want to give back more profits from this account. So I switched to a new evaluation. I'm not trading funded accounts on Monday morning. That's a basic rule for me. So no funded accounts on Monday morning, especially not in this environment. So not in this crazy price section. But I did some extra profit. Good morning. Quite a scary drop, yeah. Yeah, guys, be careful. Even if you want to trade, I strongly advise not to touch your funded accounts. If you have, do not trade this on a funded. It's absolutely a crazy morning. Yeah, 50, 100-point candles. Look at the this candle. Hold on. This candle right here. This was 200 points. This is just a 1-minute candle, 200 point from top to bottom here. So guys, if you go in with a mini, you're going to smoke your account with 1 mini. 100% guarantee. Even if, so whatever you do with 1 mini, you're going to smoke your account. With 5 mini, you're doomed. Or whatever. If you want to go in, trade with 1 micro, 2 micros on an evaluation account, but don't do anything crazy. Today is no trade day. Exactly. Today is a no trade day, guys. So stick to that. You can try with the evaluations, but don't do anything with funded accounts in this environment. Crazy drop since Sunday open. We dropped almost, well, more than 1,000 points. Let's see. we dropped since the open 1,050-ish points, more than 1,000 points overnight. This is not normal, guys. This is absolutely not normal. So good morning, George. Absolute crazy market. Yeah. Yeah, it is a no-brainer for sure. I don't know what to say. You know, this is something that, I mean, sometimes the market does this, right? So it's not something that we haven't seen before, but it's very rare. Like it doesn't usually happen, especially not in the Asian or pre-London session, and especially not with this high volume. So I have a feeling that we're gonna go back to 94 for that fair value gap, but I have nothing that is actually, I don't know. Should I even go with this? I don't know. If I would like to paper trade this, I'd like to think that we're going back up to 596. But we're just ranging here, and I have a feeling that it might just do one more leg to cause some divergence or whatever. But if we enter a trade here, that would be really like a coin flip. Kevin H, hey. Yeah, it's too much. ATR. Yeah, we definitely in a no man's land. No longs for me. Oh yeah, I would be scared to go long. It's scary to go long. If anything, maybe one more short. We do have another sell side at 175. 5-minute looks a little bit bearish. 15-minute as well. No pullback. I mean, sorry, no retracement whatsoever. Next liquidity area would be up there at 597, so right around the 600-ish. But no retest of the 600 so far. Yeah, buy the pullbacks. Yeah, it could be. The sell-off could continue from here. $500 is down here. Now we are ranging a little bit. A little bit of a range. But what a drop. What a drop. 1,000 points. Guys, absolute crazy. And now it's just going sideways a little bit. I don't think it should be going on for too long. I wonder what the London Open is going to do. Maybe everybody's just waiting for the London Open. Everybody is curious how London is going to react. George Mikhail, hey, I have a question. If I was able to make majority of my profit with the first week, down to medium to large contract size, but also within, yeah, but I decide to scale down to the following week. No, it's gonna be fine, George. It's gonna be absolutely fine. No issues with, you can scale down. It's no problem. You know, because they will see that you have a steady equity curve, you manage your losses, your risk. If you decide to scale down because the market is also changing, your style could be also changing, that's fine. It's absolute. No, it's okay, George. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. No, don't worry about that. It's fine. You can scale down. It's not going to be a red flag. Not with Apex, not with MyFundedFutures, not with any of these prop firms, even with the rules. So you can scale down your position size, and even if they would ask, which they will not, the answer is very simple, because look at the market. We just going into crazy volatility times, not just today, but the last week. You can have a very simple explanation why you scale down, but no, that's not an issue, so don't worry. You just manage risk properly, you should be absolutely fine. Absolutely okay. So is this going to retest this 95, or what is going to happen here? 90, yeah, 95-ish area. I wonder. Or not. Or we're just stuck here. Let's see. Yeah, no problem, George. Yeah, the XY is also down. What is happening? Well, the only thing I was reading. Hey, Zayad, the 21st or 21. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Well, the only thing that was happening, according to Bloomberg, is that Asia stocks were, down. As far as I was checking on Bloomberg, the Korea exchange, the Kospi, they had to suspend trading because it dropped 8%. 8%. So something happened there, and everything just started to go south. Anyway, I don't know. I think Marcus is building the time machine, and Spygirl is traveling. But I think they're okay. I think Spygirl located to another place, but she dropped in last week a few times. Marcus, I think he's somewhere building the time machine at CERN, but I hope he's good. I hope he's doing okay. Oh yeah. We were. I think he's busy. He's working. Somebody has to work, right? No, I'm just joking around, of course. No. I think he made some good calls. I don't know how he's doing with trading. I saw him on Discord. Actually, I'm not. I don't even know if I didn't open my Discord this morning, but I saw him there. Hope he's doing okay. Anyway, I didn't see him now. Yeah, it was fun. Absolutely. Oh, look at that. Now we're going down again. What is happening? What is happening, boys and girls? Is this gonna, how was this drop? 540 down to, wow, 50-point drop immediately. Is this gonna be the next heavy drop here? I'm wondering. There's some relative equal lows down there, but not too much on sub time frames. Market structure shift. So be careful with the longs. Because this could go absolutely crazy. Wow, look at this. Price is moving. Reprice that gap. All right. Immediate reprice. Let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin is melting down. So I can't wait to buy. Let's go, motivation healing. Well, you know, you can definitely find some good entry points, especially, I mean, we definitely have to know where this one is going to stop. But there are some good areas. Can't stop, won't stop. Just a second, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm here. I just had to check something. Best DJ in town. Hey, what the hell is wrong with Dom tonight? I don't know. Is this motor? I don't have the DOM open, so no idea of what's happening there. But there's obviously something not right. So is it gonna go and reprice that 1 minute gap, or what's it gonna do? I'm just curious. Extreme volatility, guys. Extreme volatility. I don't even know if I want to scalp this. Obviously, it can drop any moment if it wants to. So I don't think I'm gonna touch this. Right now we are just ranging. Hard to react to this price action. There's one low down at 500, 499, I think. This one? No, not that one. Anyway, just be careful. Are we going to reprice the 596? That's a question. Reza Banks, hey guys, keep in mind if the market is down or up 5% in a day, you cannot trade funded accounts with MyFundedFutures and TopStep and MyApex. Keep in mind if you may lose your funded. Oh, that's actually I heard that information, and thanks for reminding me, Reza. With extreme high volatility days, I have to check the fine print in the agreement, but there might be something about this in the agreement, or I might just ask MyFundedFutures support. Not a bad idea, actually. There you go. We're repricing that 95. There you go. And the reprice just happened. Going higher. Should have taken long, I feel like. Yeah, you can trade it, and I would suppose that you guys should also like stick to evaluation accounts, because volatility is absolutely crazy. I mean, look at that. We just went up another like 80 points on this candle. This is just a 1 minute candle. So gotta be careful. Extremely careful. Okay, so MyFundedFuture actually gave an answer on Discord. All right. So I did ask a question, but here it is. MyFundedFutures just said, if any instrument is within 2% of halt, you cannot be in any position. NQ was just at this level. ES is still 2% away from what? Anyway, so they still didn't answer my questions. My question here. So I asked, is it allowed to trade the funded accounts in high volatile market like this? Still didn't answer, but there was an answer here. So on the funded accounts, you have to be, at least at MyFundedFutures, you might want to stay out if you don't want to lose your funded account. This is extreme volatility. Okay, everybody's asking the same question at MyFundedFutures. Yeah. So don't touch the funded accounts. That's the best thing to do. Do not trade the funded accounts if you don't want to lose it. Just stay out. You know, trade evaluation accounts. You can do some crazy thing with evaluations, but you know. Yeah, 2% from is 5%. Yeah, exactly. I don't know about Apex. Secrets of the unknown. Welcome. I don't know about Apex in this case, but yeah, thank you, Reza. By the way, that's very useful information. 5% of my fishes. Yeah, that's why they. Okay, I'm checking Discord. They didn't answer my question. I guess everybody's asking the same. Until ES reaches 5%, then it's still good to go. They're asking. If CME is 5%, meaning 2% away from surface, we can't trade it. So quite a few questions. Yeah. So this is such a high volatility. Evals have no issues, they say. Okay, so they 2% price limit rule. There you go. We have it here. We to achieve this, we enforce strict guidelines to prevent trading when a product is within 2% of a CME price limit. This policy ensures traders are not exposed to extreme market fluctuations. I know. Okay, so there's a complete article about this, guys. If you guys want me, I can post the link in the chat with MyFundedFutures. I can post this so you can read as well. So basically, if you trade the MyFundedFutures funded accounts, then that's against the rules in this environment because you're within the 2% range. Huge drop. But here's the link. Here is the link. It might go higher. Who knows? What levels do we have? We have another liquidity level. Up there on the 5-minute. So I don't know. So stick to the evaluations for now. That's a trick by a prop firm to not allow people making a lot of money. from them in such a crash. Imagine if you rode them. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, obviously, yeah, we can say that, but they're absolutely they want to stop the bleeding. I think it's not just MyFundedFutures. I think like TopStep has the same thing too. If somebody wants to ride the crash with huge contract size, then this is a rule that they can prevent to stop the bleeding, you know. A short only mode. Yeah. Not proper CME futures rules. Yeah, they're going to halt trading at 7%, right? Just like South Korea did this morning. Yeah. Even with one mini, yeah, just one mini, you made 20K. Yeah, that's quite crazy. Just one mini, you made 20K. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna change to a different account. Try another evaluation. Still don't know if I should I would, if I should or would. Is this gonna go down or what? This is just gonna keep continuing. I think it can continue higher. There's another fair value gap up at 660. We still have 18 minutes until London Open, so that's gonna show us some direction, I guess. Maybe. What if this one wants to break higher into more liquidity? Good morning, Ayonvayda. I mean, it's hard to trust this price action for sure, but I totally forgot to check if we have any news this morning. Not really, right? So we have to find out what is causing the drop initially. There was a glitch in South Korea. I know Bloomberg was writing about that. Hey, Sopham, good morning. Looking at a 10-minute chart, there's probably between 747. Yeah, it could reprice higher. I was watching that too, trying to determine if it wants to go maybe first to the 658. So again, guys, I would not touch the funded accounts right now. And obviously at MyFundedFutures, you can't. I don't know if Apex has this rule. Bob, hey. What's happening, Bob? Good to see you, man. Mon Micro moves like a mini. Yeah, with Mon Micro, you can do moves with the mini. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Quite interesting. Let's see. I mean, overall, we're still bearish, so just be careful. I don't know if this one wants to price higher or whatever. 15 minute, 5 minute, well, you know, I don't know. I guess maybe the market wants to wait for the London Open. So if you do anything crazy, just do it on the evaluation account. Which session good to trade swing Asia and London, New York? Well, for swing trading, well, I would say London used to be not like this. Like, it used to be much slower and more predictable. So I can't really tell or which one I would choose. But it seems like, as much as I'm seeing this, I don't know. The conditions are always changing, you know. Bank of Japan made a change in their interest rate policy stance, which caused the increase of volatility in the Asian session. Yeah, I was reading something about that. The drop is subsequence of the head and shoulder pattern daily graph. Oh, haven't checked that, but yeah, it's all good. Still making lots of profits. Good. Let's go, Bob. Let's go. Japan is selling pretty bad too. Oh, it's down 10%. Wow. Bitcoin was melting as well. It was crazy. Asian stock markets tumble after US data fans. Recession fears. Yeah. The fear index, I guess it's on the top. It's on the top. Anyway, it doesn't have anything here that's interesting. Could be just spiking all the way, taking liquidity, moving all around the place here. So gotta be careful, guys. 84 is a wick down there on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, there's obviously nothing. Bullish order block on the 1 minute. It's typically not something that is good to mess with. Anyway, London Open is close. Oh, you had the FTT account. Nice. Yeah, don't trade the Asia session. Oh, you blew your rally account. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, careful. You know, market conditions like this. Yeah, if you want to go cheap on a morning like this, you can also trade like Billinox evals. They're cheap to buy. Just don't touch your funded accounts, you know. It's not worth it, I think. Just don't go with that. All right, looks like the drop could continue here. Actually, good idea. Good idea, Sopham. Maybe I should stick with gold, especially on a morning like this. I guess it's because of volatility, right? Like, everybody likes volatility. But yeah, I was checking gold this morning. It's dropping nicely. We have some good levels. So, yeah. Maybe should stick to gold, especially on a day like this. Sopham. I want to pick up gold. I really do. I really do want to pick up gold. It's just, you know, I just can't, you know, I don't know. I just can't get a hold of it. Like, it always acts differently. Is your data feed Rhythmic? Yes, I use Rhythmic. Yes. Oh, you bought 2 FTTs. Nice. Let's go, Suarez. This was the manipulation to go up again. Yeah, could be. The level to be swept is at 659. So I feel like either Billinox or Rhythmic has a problem tonight. I purchased an eval. Now we're gonna still cannot see it in here. That's interesting. There could be something with Billinox then, because I purchased a new evaluation account with Apex and I got it immediately with Apex this morning. Brand new evaluation. I'm willing to trade on it, and I received it in a minute. So it might be Billinox. Most of the time, things tech giants can manipulate. Oh yeah, they can do. Definitely, Sopham. Oh, so Iran is going to attack Israel. Unfortunate. I also heard that YouTube is going to, in the next couple of months, on YouTube, if on live streams we talk about politics and war, then the channel is going to be deactivated or deleted or banned or whatever. That's crazy, right? YouTube is implementing an algorithm. If you start to talk about war and politics, then the channel is going to be deleted. So that's the freedom of speech, I guess. But whatever. Usually they're pretty quick. I log out and log back, motivate, and there it is. All right. Oh, look at that. Now it spiked higher. I think it's going to go into that 59 area, you know, to reprice that 1 minute gap up there. It's very close. Yeah, freedom of speech left the chat. Yeah, I mean, it's almost like confirmed. I was reading about it on Twitter, and it was partially confirmed by some YouTube infos anywhere. Anyway, they said that if there's a channel which is talking about politics and the war, it's gonna get banned. So that's great. Well, if somebody is very interested in politics and all this war-related stuff, then everybody goes to Rumble. Rumble lets everybody talk about everything, but unfortunately, YouTube is canceling the freedom of speech. So, yeah. Same issue. Oh. I didn't know that. By the way, how you doing, Komodo? As they would have bad news like live stream. Yeah. But anyway, it is what it is. You know, what can we do? We'll just stick to trading here, and that's it. And that is it. What can we do? Ba-da-bum, ba-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum, ba-dum. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum. Well, no other news here. Japan market collapse. Yeah, I was reading on Bloomberg about it, and South Korea also. Zach, good morning. What's happening, guys? Isham, good morning. Sorry, I didn't say good morning to everybody. And Seven Money Bag, yo, good to see you. Hope you guys doing okay. Crazy market. What can I say? Absolutely crazy market conditions. Crazy market. Oh yeah, all right. We have volume. I thought that I don't have any volume. Still waiting for your payout. Let's go. Okay, reprice the 1 minute gap here. Market open is less than 2 minutes away. YouTube said that they would cancel is oh yeah. Yeah. Modified it so I can pass quicker full lots. Nice, Komodo. Let's go. Let's go. And can I, yeah. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy, right? Absolutely crazy moves. Current put out on a YouTube video calling Apex a scam. Well, I'm not surprised. She's picking on them very much. She's very picky with them. All I know is that Apex is paying out a lot of traders also. So not just denials, but payouts are happening. But I know that Karen is very picky on them. I know. I know. I know. I know who she is. You know, she's cool. She's so she has some good videos I like, and and she's very like it, absolutely open and honest, and she says what she thinks. So that's it. Do you think Step X has less commission than other platforms? I think it does, less commissions. There's a cleanup fee or whatever it's called. I never traded Step X, to be honest, but there's a cleanup fee. But yeah, it has less. She's a professional cloud chaser. Yeah, I don't really keep up with her content, but I did see her videos a few times here and there. She's very picky on. She's calling everything a scam. Everybody is a scam, and everything is a scam. Yet she's promoting her affiliate code with them. So she's calling them a scam, but she still gives an affiliate code to the prop firm. So it's like, anyway. But I think she's cool. She does good videos, and you know, you know, I don't have any. I mean, she does have some great videos. All right. No, not yet. Unfortunately, Subham. I had like, I don't know, 4 or 5 funded accounts with MyFundedFutures, and I blew all of them. I currently have 1 funded account with Trade-Await connection, and it's just so hard, you know. I don't know, it's in my head, you know. I'm trying to get that account to a payout level, or you know, even doing the, so I can do the evaluation chain phase, but when I'm on the funded account, especially with MyFundedFutures, I think it's because I want to prove so hard that I can get to that freaking payout with MyFundedFutures, and that's giving me some kind of a mental stress or whatever. I mean, finally I reached payout with Apex and Bulonox, and I'm hoping that I can do some more payouts. But with MyFundedFutures, as much as I like them, I like the platform, I liked customer support and everything, the error is on my end because I do stupid things on the funded account there. I don't know. I have to work on that. We may sell at the Open Turkish. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, we have the London Open. So we have the London Open, everybody. So I can say that my favorite is MyFundedFutures so far. I think they're awesome. And yet I still struggle with big time reaching the payout with them. But I hope I can manage through sooner or later. Anyway, guys, I have a great code for Apex. Who gives the fastest payout? I like, yeah, MyFundedFutures. The thing I can tell is that, you know, obviously I got affiliate commissions from MyFundedFutures. And when I got approved, you know, I clicked on payout, or asking for the payout of the affiliate commissions, and I got approved the same day, and it was on my account. So after the approval, it was on my account in 2 or 3 hours, the payout. And others who got payout from trading told me the same. Like after the approval, it was on their account in a few hours with Rise. You have to obviously register with Rise. Rise works, and it was, you have to do it manually, the payout, but it's on your account in a few hours. That's it. I got payouts from Apex, but I always blow my funded top step accounts. Yeah, I mean, the magic is different. I will delete YouTube in a couple of weeks and go to Odyssey. Yeah, Odyssey is also very popular nowadays. And Rumble too. Like I also registered on Rumble. Not that I use it, but I do watch some interviews and some news feeds there. So I'm registered with Rumble. I think after YouTube, Rumble is, you know, somewhere in the top 3, top 5. And of course, they say like freedom of speech, blah, blah, blah. But I am waiting since Friday after market close, still not approved. It's going to be fine. I think they're going to, because they approve it manually, you know. They're not processing payout on the weekend. So most likely, every payout is approved within 1 or 2 business days. So I would say that your payout is going to get approved somewhere in the New York opening time. I mean, in the New York working hours, business hours, and that's it. You should be fine. Worst case scenario, you should be approved after the PM session or something. But it happens manually. After you get approved, everything's starting to go automatic from there, so should be fine. But over the weekend there is nothing. You should be okay during the New York session, I think. Almost lost your account? No way. Be careful with that. Guys, I don't know what to do here. I mean, I would like to take a trade, but it's so crazy, and I don't want to touch, definitely. I'm not doing anything with funded accounts, but hey, this is just wow. First trade, 50 points off the ban. You're done for the day, right? Nice. No more trading today, yeah. Just be careful. Be careful, yeah, absolutely. How far is this thing wants to go? I wonder. I think it should take out this low here, and the next target should be down there at 76, the 576-ish area. Could be. Could be. Yeah, so I think it could reprice this gap here at 44, then maybe drop lower, but it can also go all the way up there to 742. Circuit breaker. Yo, yeah. I was reading about that. Oh, Wix is opening at 40. All right. Yeah, I was reading about those circuit breakers. Nasdaq futures very close triggering a circuit breaker. But there was another one. Asia markets, blah, blah, blah. Multiple circuit breakers triggered on various indexes. Japanese stocks were particularly dropping by 10% on Monday. Wow, that's crazy. Korea Exchange issued a circuit breaker trading in Kospi for 20 minutes. Then 8% trading. Last time the circuit breaker Kospi was triggered was in 2020. So the biggest drop on the South Korean Kospi. 8%. Boom. Took long on 60, went to profit. Nice, let's go. Yeah, at the COVID, there was crazy moves back then, you know. Daily loss limit on my top account with 1 micro. Bought 18k with 1 micro and went to store and dropped. Oh, wow. Dude. I feel you there, Marco. Sorry, the Mad Scalper. Marco, did you get the stream of stars already? Yeah, and we have a winner here. All right. All right. Marco, I would like to get you your present. I think you deserve a present from me, right? So how about you just send me your email? I think I'm gonna post my email address. Updating. Marco, are you here? Because you just won a cash prize. And you YOLO them each and every. All right. Send me your email. I'm gonna send you a cash prize. Just a second. I have to. If you can send me Marco Brasse, if you can send me your screenshot of your YouTube, and I can send it with PayPal or some Cash App, maybe wire transfer, whatever. You're welcome, Marco. You are absolutely welcome. I just regained my trust in humanity right now. Congratulations. Oh hey, Lamin, thank you so much for the subscription. You're the 2800th subscriber. Welcome to the channel. And I had only 15 micros and it dumped like hell and even did not trigger my stop loss. And I had to close it. That's why I'm down to almost lose the account. Oh. You know, the thing is, the only thing that matters is that you survived. Nothing else matters. Lamin, hello, welcome. Welcome. Good to see you on the stream. How is everybody? How you doing? Okay, nothing on Discord so far. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, nothing on the Discord. We didn't see you on Friday. Yeah, Friday I was on a wedding. I was invited to a wedding, but I told you guys in Friday London session that I might not be able to be here in a Friday New York session. It's good to see you, Holy Grail, by the way. So it was your best day ever. Let me give you an applause. Holy Grail, I know you're putting a lot of work to it, so congratulations. Congratulations on your results on Friday. Let's go, you know. Let's see, does this one want to go up or whatever? I don't know. Well, it was not my wedding, but it was a little bit far relative of mine. But it was a good wedding. It was a good one. It was a small wedding. I can tell you that it was a small wedding. We had like 60 people, 70 people maybe. But it was a nice one. It was nice. It was it was a solid, beautiful wedding. Everybody was super happy. So it was nice. You're welcome. What do you think? Whoa, what do you do? What do you do to the market? I didn't do anything. It's just its own thing, you know, the rapidity. I stabbed it with my boxes. I always do that, guys. I always do that. Yeah, I cut my hair. Yeah, before that. It was a nice wedding. It was a good one. It was a good one. I was only there for about midnight. I was super tired, and I mean, we were with my fiance. We were there for only around midnight. We waited for the midnight, and then we just secretly escaped from the wedding. But it was good. Yeah. I have 3 more accounts passed and waiting. So if I lose next one, it's learning process. Yeah, but just don't aim for that. I mean, that will never risk more than 1%. That's a very good strategy there. Now I'm just curious if we're gonna go up and reprice that small gap on the 5-minute. Obviously, this environment is just so crazy. Let me put a buy side liquidity line here. Buy side liquidity at 35. If it wants to go reprice higher, I think it can go. That's the 15-minute fair value gap, actually. So let's just put it there. 15-minute fair value gap up there. Was an entry point here. Now it's a little bit late to enter, but I think it's gonna go for 35. Pretty obvious. You can still enter if you want. I would say, yeah, up there at 35 should be a good target. I mean, that's the next level of liquidity. If that is what the Nasdaq wants. I entered to a small scalp at 705 with 2 micros on a brand new, almost brand new Apex evaluation account. I can show you, it's a scalp trade, it's nothing special. Here it is. I would like to see this go pop higher, but I don't know. I might just going to close it if it starts to dump. But if it starts to go, then we'll see. If it trades above 15, then I might just going to put it to break even, maybe. I don't know. Or not break even, but maybe somewhere at 93. Or maybe I just close one here. Okay, I closed one. All right. Closed one micro. Yeah, awesome. I think I did good by closing that. And I think I want to move my stop a little bit closer. So worst case scenario, this is going to be a break-even trade completely. The spread around 6 ticks and reaching somewhere about, yeah, the spread is crazy, guys, especially on micros too, so be careful. I don't even know what I mean, the only reason for the stream, and this is just an evaluation and with micro. So the level I'm looking for is the 35 15-minute fair value gap. Nothing special. If it takes it, it takes it. You know, just to blow off some steam on this market. But yeah. Should be going for it. There you go. And so the 15-minute gap, well, it's almost, yeah, now it's taken, and we're almost at the 5-minute gap, and it's taken too. All right. 5-minute, 15-minute gap has been repriced. Now, I'm curious what the market is going to do right now. Short day for me. Closed down Apex with 340 and 80 on funding pips. Whoa! Congratulations, Vida. One more applause to Iron Vida. That's nice. On a day like this, you should walk away with those profits. And by the way, this is the first time I'm saying this today, so I wasn't really shilling all these prop firms, but we still have the sale with Bulonox and Apex, of course, and all the others, Take Profit Trader, etc. Top Step and MyFundedFutures obviously is the cheapest one, and I mean including the activation fee. So if you would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate if you would use my code. tomsabo works everywhere. And Fast Track Trading, I also picked them up. If you would like to have an instant funded account, you can have it if you use the code FTT_30. It's in the description. You can have it with a 30% discount, or there's a buy 5, get 1 for free. If you use the code B5GO, then you have 25K funded account instantly for $105 with them anyway. If you click on my link to register, I would greatly appreciate that. And that's all. Thank you for the support. Look at that. We're at 745. Sometimes here you can lose your account trading days like plus my what? Someone you can lose your account trading days plus minus 5%. How sure is this? What? I don't understand. Yannick's hey, 400 points bounce and not at 50%. Oh yeah, this is absolutely crazy action. By the way, guys, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 3,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a big giveaway at 3,000. I'm gonna give away, I mean, for me, to my budget, I'm gonna give away like at least $100 or $150 in cash. We're gonna, in a stream, we're gonna divide it up to like 3 or 5 parts, depending on how many funded accounts, evaluation accounts we can purchase with that. Obviously, you can buy 3 Top Step accounts or more Apex or Bilonox evaluation accounts, but I'm gonna giving away that. All right, let's go. Let's go, everybody. Okay. Are we going to have a turnaround here? It has to do a shift below 679 if it goes. Struggling here. The 15-minute looks, well, I don't know, a bit crazy. I've checked all the Apex articles in terms of service. There is no clear rule for that. It sounds like it's mostly a recommendation. For MyFundedFutures, it looks like it's more clearly defined. Yes, MyFundedFutures has it more clearly, grinding to 850s. I think so. Could be. I mean, look at this bearish order block. Not a perfect one, but it could be grinding up there, as you said. Exactly. We have market structure shifts. Let's check the 5-minute. There are some levels up there. $8.20. Looks better on the 5-minute. Yeah, I do. What I like on the 5-minute here is that this candle has no upper wick. I do like that. That is something I always mark up. 852 on the mini. There's no upper wick, and market loves these levels, especially when there is some kind of a order block attached to this level, which we have. So the 852, I agree, that is absolutely, it could be a good target. I might even jump into a long position. Who knows? On an eval. Why not? You know, we only live once. And there's no sequel. Okay, I'm jumping in with 1 micro. Obviously, I'm going to keep it tight. Very, very, very tight. This is not even my entry model. Look at that. I'm just giving back my profit from earlier. Oh, you guys don't see it. Hold on. This is it. I think I jumped back too early. Target would be 8 let me see, 850. I do like the 850 up there. Actually even higher. I would be taking profit at, you know, somewhere at 844 if it goes up. But I don't think it will. I mean, not now. It wants to take me out first and then go up. And come on, take me out. Just one wick. One wick and I'm out. I would be surprised if this one's not wicking lower. It takes me out. And come on. Do it. Come on. Just do it already. It's only 1 micro. It's not that hard to get. Crazy. This is crazy. Crazy. Lemon is selling. There you go. I'm still up $109 on this evaluation. Oh yeah, this is a new evaluation. I told you guys I'm not going to abuse this account, so I stepped into another one here. But Top Gun fighters again. Maverick and the boys are flying again. Look at that. Picked up some liquidity from down here. Let's see. Alicia, bro. What's happening, man? Good to see you here. What's going on? What happened to the market? Well, you know, I think these kind of moves happen like maybe once every year or something like that. I mean, in the pre-London session or Asia market. I was just reading an article on YouTube that, not YouTube, Bloomberg, that last time this happened was at 2020 with the South Korean index, which caused some triggers. Anyway, South Korea index just dropped 8% in the Asia session. Happened last time in the during the COVID. Anyway, now it's going back up. Good morning, online safety. Did you sign up with IC Markets? Yes, I have an IC Markets. I mean, I didn't deposit money, but I do have an IC Markets account since years. So I'm still testing IC Markets now. Look at that. Now it's going up. Look at this. What a sweep. Seems like the 852 could be a target. Do I want to jump in? I think I want to. Just with 1 micro. Just with 1 micro on an eval, of course. I was chasing it on an eval. But my other eval is in good profit. I'm gonna put the limit to the previous one at 43. Don't trade funded accounts, guys. Do not trade funded accounts this morning. Wicks just spike. Breaking resistance, showing seller's muscle. Let's go. FX entropy. Just to check, the top step don't have daily loss limits anymore. Yeah, I think they're switched. I mean they removed the daily loss limit, I think. They removed it. I go sell my eval 50k. Let's go. Let's go. 674. You're in a sell. Oh, be careful there. Be careful. Good morning, Trader Monk. You're a girl. Good morning. Oh, you said sorry. I sorry, FX entropy. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place, especially on a morning like this. Yours, I guess it might be depending on when you purchased the account. I don't know, because I haven't purchased new top step evals right now. I mean combines, but I will. Look at that. Might be going. Let's go. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. We're going right now. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Dum 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 da-da-dum. Bum 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 ba-da-dum. Are we still in the trade? I haven't even checked it. We're still in it. I don't know for how long. We're still in it. Bum bum bum. All right. Still in it. Let me read the chat. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. Okay. You've got 24 minutes. Let's go. Good morning. Another London start you missed. Don't worry about that, Jan Hammer. It's good to see you here. I'm looking for that. Actually, the 852 level looks really juicy up there as a target. But I'm going to take profit at 40, I don't know, 44 was it? So that's what I'm looking. I don't trade London much, but I've never seen. Yeah, this is absolutely. This is absolutely unusual. This usually never happens. I mean, this is something that never really happens. So, yeah. Am I still in the trade? I am. I don't know how. Maybe I should just put it to, if it trades above the 83 again, I'm just going to put it to break even. Otherwise, it's still a little bit dangerous to hold it here. It can spike easily down to the 20s. Yeah, it could be, Bob. Market could be trapping the bulls. Actually, I'm gonna put it to break even now. There. Put it to break even. I'm gonna give a little bit more room to it. But there you go. It's a break even trade now, so I don't care. If it starts to trade down, at least it's a free trade. It's a scalp. Was a scalp. Now he's gonna take me out. Bum, 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 bum. I wonder if it's gonna push it or the drop will continue. If the drop will continue, then we can see some levels like 17,195. But so far, I think it wants to recover. I don't know. I think at this time it's better to scalp. Well, if you go with small size, yes, then you can. If you're in with a small size, then you might be good for it. But VIX resistance is at 25.15 for Nasdaq, and it's like 41.27, which is huge. Yeah, that is. Until the news, when I see that VIX, yeah, gotta be careful, guys. All right, I might trail this a little bit. Just locking in a little bit if it wants to drop, which it can, of course. Yeah, spread is large. Yeah. Yeah, honeypub. Absolutely. The spread is now in the extremes. Let's go. Let's go. Slowly grinding up there. All right, locking in some more. Because this one can just drop like 50 or 70 points in a matter of 2 seconds. I'm expecting profit taking above the 30s. So that would slow down price. But anyway. By the way, if you guys haven't done it already, please help me out and push that like button. It's free to do and it helps out the channel with a great deal. So help me out and push that like. Thank you so much. I'm locking in some more. Almost. All right. I'm actually going to close it manually here. Closing it manually. There you go. I'm not going to wait for a retest, maybe lower. So it wasn't such a bad trade. But I think we will get the 852. It's just one micro, so in these markets is waiting an escalate of the conflict at any, oh yeah, it could be. But the 152 is very juicy. If you look at the 5 minute here, it has no upper wick. If you go down to the 1 minute and you look to the left, it's almost like, J-Man, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Welcome. So we do have a bearish order block, not a perfect one. It's not an A+ textbook order block, but I would consider this as an order block. And now we're in this. I mean, this is the one here. And now we got into this. So I can see this one even breaking that at 73. You've got 8 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta make that profit, man. Let's see. Let's see. If this is not going high, this is 852. I'll go sell. Yeah. Hold on for a bit, I think. But yeah, I understand it can go to a sell off, absolutely, because it's already having a little bit of a reaction of that order block. But I think it should at least wick to 852. Obviously, it's your choice to make, but just be careful. You know, gotta be careful. Got to be careful. But what a drop, oh boy. This morning. Absolute mental. We're on the way to that 852-ish area, which is the top of the 5-minute candle. So we'll see. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum. Mary, have a good night, everyone. Thank you, Mary. Thank you for being here. And you know, it was a crazy morning. Have a good one. I will not be trading you. I will stop. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mary. I'm always here. All right. 500 points bounce is crazy. You're still long from 620. Wow. From 620 you're oh my god. That's still good with a couple of micros, man. I should, yeah, there you go. 852, boom. 852, boom. See that movement? That's the way how trading is fun. Yeah, not that stupid ranging. Yeah, I mean, usually London gives us the range, but now it's just, you know, out. Congratulations. The Matt Scarborough holding it since 620s. Wow. Diamond hands. Congratulations. I gotta do an update video about the payouts. My payouts is still pending with Apex, by the way. Who knows? I might gonna get denied. Not even a joke. So I did DCA. That's why. I did DCA. Okay, so one more leg would be to break that 70. What's the high here? 73, 75-ish to completely break that 1 minute order block. And next level is up at 918. Look at that, guys. The wick at 916.50 exactly. Crazy. So I don't know. The VWAP is up there also. Good targets. Yeah, well done, well done. On account, but made. That's all that matters. You made it back. You made it back, so you made profit on the other one. You did good. Sometimes that's why the daily loss limit is really a good thing. You know? That is really a good thing. Which account was this? Yeah, this one. I might gonna trade on this one. I don't really want to give back the profits. No trading is trading. That's true. That's true. I will wait for the news and clear combo setups. Yeah. And by the way, we're gonna have some volume injection in less than 2 minutes. Equities, right? In about 1 minute and 16 seconds, we could be expecting some volume. So it could be spiking above 75. Wix is scaring me too much to buy. Yeah. Unpredictable. Next up, 1805. But might take a while. Yeah, could go. Spike down, online safety says. Spike down, maybe. Anyway, volume is coming in 41 seconds. Get ready. Get ready to get wrecked. J-Ho, good morning. Nice to see you again. What a move, right? 1,050 something points since the Sunday Open. Absolutely unbelievable. And South Korean index has dropped 8%. Caused the circuit breaker to go off. And there you go. Volume is coming in. Could be spiking above I think it spiked. No, it didn't. Not yet. 72. I think it should spike above 75. Dude, this is the 1 minute candle and it has such huge volatility. Stick to the micros if you guys can, because this here is absolutely crazy. They should be taking out the 75 in my opinion, but I could be wrong. I would be scared to go short until the 75 is there. But, you know. $75. Let's see. Is it gonna do it? DEW, do it. You know. Return back to 18K. It could. Has a high chance for it. I don't know if I want to scalp this. I don't think I want to. It can just easily spike down like all the way below the 800s even. But 875. Is one last level if it wants to squeeze everybody. But it might shift lower. If it shifts lower than this 812, especially with the displacement, then that's a good confirmation, obviously. Look at that. If it just wicks down, then that was just a liquidity sweep. Oh, hold on. The high of this candle is not even this. The high of the... Oh, it is. The high of this candle... Oh, because it's on the micro. All right. Anyway. Let's see. Okay, I'm not in anything. I'm flat. Look at this. No orders, no positions. I'm completely flat. No displacement yet, but it's taking the stairs down. I think there's a fair value gap at 75 on the 15 minute. Let me see. Yeah, 70 below 74, 75. Could be repricing there. I'd like to see this 792 to be taken out as well for liquidity sweep purposes only. Entertainment purposes. It didn't take it out. I'm not trusting this yet. Going up. Still going up. There you go. On the way to 75. On the way to 75. Look at that. And there you come on. No, there you go. 75. Okay. And now I have absolutely zero idea where to go from here. The next target would be 916. Obviously. It's very close. We might even get back to the midnight open. I can imagine that Nasdaq does all these crazy things, guys. We might even get back to the midnight open. I mean, not open, sorry, but the New York midnight level. Yeah, we have the VWAP up there. We have that wick. Absolutely good targets. Yeah, Bassett. 18K. Nice round level. I would be sweating if I would have my stop at 916. I think that's clearly a good target. Albert, hey, I think I'm gonna just sit back and watching the market. Oh yeah. I mean, if you just, you know, relax and watch price action, you can learn a lot how it all behaves. But the 916 level is totally in danger right now. 900 is holding for now. Maybe I should jump into a small scalp. How about that? No, I don't think. No, because if I jump in to... All right, almost happening. So I jump in to a 10 or 15 point scalp, and there you go, the 916. Booyah, just like that, been taken out. On the way to... And there's the VWAP already. It's just going back. Guys, we're going to go back to 18K. That's it. It's not even a question. 18K, guys. Going back. So, this is mental. Going all the way back. What a sweep, you know. Yo, Trading Star, what's happening? Good to see you. Oh, J-Man, I trade the New York session. Yes, I traded. Yes, J-Man. Let's go. I said it. My long's up nice. Let's go, J-Ho. Congratulations. Long from 867 online safety is long from 867. Wow. Nice. Well, you know, if you have some partials or on break even or whatever, locked in some profits, we could go for the 18,000 now. I think partial here holding rest. Yeah. Let's go, J-Ho. Let's go. Yo, Apps. Good to see you, man. We're going to 18K. I'm not in a trade right now, but I wish I was scalping to this 916 level, but I didn't. Crazy volatile. 1,000 points drop during the Asia session. Quite a liquidity sweep. If you look at the daily chart, like, I can imagine this one is going to 18,000. Worst case scenario to 990. Worst case scenario. Whoa! Joe Nathan, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the stream. It's good to see you guys. I'm so happy that we're, you know, getting closer to the 3,000 subscribers. I'm absolutely happy about it. And look at that, we're going for that. Look at that, there's no stopping at this. Back to the New York midnight level. Thanks again for subscribing, Joe. Looks like it is giving a market structure shift. Yeah, depending on which time frame, but I guess we were having multiple market structure shifts. But this one, you know, This one was absolutely crazy. Now, where is the Sunday open? Let's not, we have to talk about the Sunday open, guys, because there's going to be a huge gap. I can imagine that, by New York time, we're going to get back to right up there. New week opening gap. Let's mark it. Boom. How about that? So all the bears are gonna get cooked. I still don't have my bias yet. I mean, okay, we went up to the 90. Guys, I want to say I told you. I told you. We went up to the 90. We took out the 90. Repricing, the VWAP is holding. 18,000 would be a juicy price for this move in London. Yeah, well done, guys, for holding. Well done, well done. I took a piece from 17,684 to 769. Whoa. Hey, Jonathan. Online safety long exited. Congratulations to all you guys. You made some great profit. Right now we are holding the VWAP area, and I don't know if I should jump into a trade here. Currently I'm a little bit more bullish than bearish, just to see the 18K and the midnight area, which is a little bit of a congestion area, to be revisited. But I'm not sure if I don't like this setup. This is not my kind of thing. I might gonna wait for the 5-minute candle to close to see if it wants to reprice the 894-ish area. Imagine the market goes all the way to 470 and then suddenly flushes. Oh yeah, that would be the ultimate seek and destroy. I think that would be the ultimate seek and destroy. You think you're done? Abs. 250 ticks longs, up 1K. Abs, I think you're done for the day. I think you are done for the day. You should be walking away. But be careful, guys, with the funded accounts. Careful. Three candles, 100 points, crazy. Yeah, Robertas. It's absolutely, I know it's such a huge movements, and 1,000 points, more than 1,000 since the Sunday open. You guys, recon New York session will be even more wilder. Well, it's I don't know, because London is now, I mean, repricing the market after that huge drop. It's hard to say, Isham. I think it could be a tricky one. Maybe everybody's still waiting for the continuation of the sell-off, and maybe New York is going to trick the bears and, just take everybody up to that new week opening gap. It would be kind of interesting. I'm hoping the second payout request isn't too complicated. You should be fine, Abs. You should be all right. Mine is still pending, but I don't expect any answer from Apex until the middle of August. So until the middle of this month, I don't expect any answer. So I'm just waiting. Still pending. Let's see what's happening on Bloomberg. Okay. Some bounce. Okay. Israel braces for attack. That's bad. That is bad. All right. Yeah, the last green candle, almost 150 points. That is crazy. That is crazy. So I think there's a chance for this to go higher. Maybe if it drops down to that 5-minute fair value gap, I might consider to take a very small position to the long, to go long, but I don't know. Apex payouts are Russian roulette. Yeah. Tom, in your personal take, would you say Top Step or Billanox? Bouncing, which one is better for you? Oh, dude, well, it depends on your trading style a lot. Are you going for base hits? Do you require a daily loss limit? Actually, there's no more daily loss limit, I think. Anyway, the payout policy is different on both of these prop firms. Which one is better, Top Step or Billanox? I would go with Billanox right now because obviously, you know, it has a cheaper, usually cheaper upfront cost. So if you mess up some things that you can still, it's easier for you to get a new evaluation account if you mess up something. So obviously cheaper upfront cost. The activation fee is technically the same, $1 cheaper with Billanox. So I think I would go with Billanox. I don't know. It's hard to say. TopStep is also a great company, a great prop firm, one of the OGs. The payout policy with TopStep is not something I really like. I mean, it's still okay, but I got sometimes frustrated with the $200 day thing. But obviously, it's good. Yeah. You will be fine, Epps. You broke a little. You shouldn't. I know it. I mean, it must be frustrating. I get it. TopStep is a scam, pure and simple. The OG of prop scammers. Well, I don't know if they're changing anything about their payout policy nowadays. They're obviously every prop firm has different payout policy nowadays. Depending on your trading style, I guess. Now the 1 minute shifted higher. This is a good sign to maybe try to go long again. All right, I entered with one single micro. One micro. I don't even know where I should put the. My target would be up there at. Actually, if we just get back, we can back to the 90. That's fine for me. Stop loss is a little bit tighter. Where is my trade? Oh, this is it. All right. So I'm gonna put this here as a possible marker. I don't want to go crazy with this, so I'm just looking if we can break the 18K again. So I'm putting it to break even. That's it. Let's see if it wants it or not. There you go. That was on the new evaluation, this one. But it was good. Just a scalp trade. Both Billinox and TopStep for payouts, sure. Not letting go 15 minutes, yeah. Long for, okay, maybe break even on 50, yeah, man. So Billinox and TopStep payout. So with TopStep, you have to make more than 5 days above $200 of profit. That's going to be counted as a winning day for the payout. So it doesn't have to be consecutive days. So it's not a problem if it's not consecutive 5 winning days, but you have to make 5 winning days above $200 of profit. If you make that, then you can request up to 50% of your profits. That's it. So technically you can request a payout any day, any day. When you make the 5 days, then the next day you can request. Obviously you have to wait for the midnight session to close, for the midnight to close, or the market close, but the next day you can request a payout. So that's fine. Razvan, hey Razvan, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. So with Billinox, it's also not that simple. You have to leave, for example, on a 50K account. On a 50K account, you have to leave the $2,600 threshold, safety threshold. And you can withdraw above that threshold. Now, the minimum payout is $1,000 with Billinox. That's the minimum. So that means you have to make $3,600 with Billinox to be able to request your first payout, which is $1,000. Now, you can withdraw the safety threshold if you want to, but then you have to close the account and you will only get 40% of the safety threshold. So you can get 40% of $2,600, and then you have to close the account. That's the thing. That's the catch. TopStep is great, absolutely. I mean, I respect the opinion of online safety, and I know some people had issues with TopStep as well. TopStep also denied payouts in the past, and there are some people. I understand the frustration. It's not against anybody's in person or whatever. I think they're okay. The only thing is the payout policy, which I don't really like that much. If they could do something about the 200-day whatever, that would be awesome. But otherwise, I don't have issues. I made most of my payouts with TopStep. So I mean, not nowadays, but yeah. What button did you take your trade? This was Quant Tower, Razvan. Not familiar. This is Quant Tower, but you have to, so basically Rhythmic. I always choose Rhythmic if I can. Not that Rhythmic is the best, but with Quant Tower it's super easy to copy trade between prop firms. It has a built-in function, so it's very easy. That's why I switched to Quant Tower from NinjaTrader. I like NinjaTrader too. It's great. But the built-in copy trading function with Quant Tower it makes it super easy. So I always choose Rhythmic, and I just log into with my Rhythmic credentials, and I can connect to multiple prop firms at the same time. It looks good, by the way, and you know, you can easily get the hang. You can get every function of it, so it looks good. When can you withdraw 100% of safe threshold? I think with Billinox you can withdraw 100%. Ooh, that's a tough question. Now I know that after the third withdrawal you can. There is no cap on the withdrawals, but for safety threshold, I don't think you can. But I don't know. I don't know the 100% answer, man. That's a good question. That's a tough one. Maybe 30 days. Maybe, man. I have to look into. It's not even on the website. I think I have to look at my my master account agreement. What was the cause of TopStep denying? It wasn't about the trading style. It was, I know that some people got denied because they were having multiple accounts. That's one reason I know. There was denials of payout because of multiple accounts and KYC issues. But you know, for micro scalping or news trading, I don't know anybody who got denied at TopStep until now. Multiple accounts, KYC issues, I know there was denials. Well, I noticed this, that you could move your stop loss to break even. Oh yeah, there's a button that instantly puts you to break even. Good for scalping. Yeah, you can instantly, there's a button, puts you to break even super fast. Wow, look at the 5 minute. We're barcoding. Boom, boom, boom. I still think that the 18,000 is very close. Never had any issues with them, even if there's a glitch with data provider. Yeah, the good thing with TopStep is if there was some technical glitch, they also refunded or corrected the balance or whatever. So that's a good thing. I'll not disclose precisely what I know about TopStep X because I'm not a snitch. All I know about TopStep X is that it's also a third-party provider, which they put their logo. But other than that, I mean, they customized it. I didn't. Of course, TopStep X is a new platform, and there might be some glitches, just like with every platform. It happens. But so far, the glitches that they had, as far as I know, they corrected it and they issued refunds if there was some issue or corrected the balance. Obviously, it can happen with a new platform, but I don't know. See, so as I said, no issues. There you go. There are no frequent live streams. I know people who got also many payouts from TopStep, but you know, goes far beyond glitches. I'm certainly not. Country Girl is not. But welcome to the stream, Country Girl. Bum 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 bum. Let's see, how far can we go? Also, by the way, Take Profit Trader has one of the fastest payout, or maybe the fastest payouts in the industry. You can request for a payout any day above the threshold if you have profit above the threshold. Every single day you can request a payout, and it's gonna get processed in the same day, and it's gonna be in your account in the same day. So for now, Take Profit Trader has the fastest payout. Reportedly, I also talked to some people and they confirmed that it's super fast. No questions asked. You can DCA, do whatever you want. You know, it's up to you. It's up to you what you do. And also, fast track trading pays fairly fast, as far as I've been told. Do you always trade at this time? Yeah, I usually trade from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard for the London kill zone. Sometime around 5 or 6, maybe. I mean, it depends on how the market goes a.m. And then come back for the New York session. Sometimes I come back earlier in the kill zone in around 8 or 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard. But if the market is just not moving, or we're just waiting for some huge news, I might just skip the 8 to 9 a.m. and you know, come back right before the stock exchange open, like 9:15, 9:20. But yeah, I'm always here in the New York AM session. I'm always here. Make sure to subscribe and don't miss the action. We're gonna do giveaways as well. I owe you guys with the giveaways. Avoid Rhythmic. Yeah, Rhythmic had issues. Yeah. Bloody nice to start the funded account. 500 minus. Richard, I thought you were gonna say 500 in the plus. Yeah, that's not the best to go, but maybe, you know, 500 is not the end of the world. Just, you know, step to a different account and go from there. You should be fine. Should be all right. Richard, you should be all right. Richard, come on. I'm not certain about fast track trading. Yeah, I know. It raises some flags. All I can say without, you know, any any details, I think there is a demand in the futures prop space for instant funded accounts. So if it's not going to be fast track trading, then obviously I think other prop firms may do it or may come into the space. I think there's a demand because obviously not everybody can afford a funded account. I know, but there are some people, some traders who can afford it and wants to jump in right into the action, and there's definitely a demand for it. Now with the .com or .net, yeah, whatever, I don't know, interesting. But also accepting crypto is also interesting. Like other prop firms do crypto too, but I don't know. So far they pay out people. The future will tell us if they can stay or not. I would like them to stay, because if they can stay and maintain everything, they're going to have credit card payments, they're going to have trade await connections soon. That's what they said. So I want them to stay and be successful also, because if they can maintain this, then that's going to prove that there is people want to jump into instant funded accounts. Obviously, we don't see the data. We don't see how many failed accounts are there, how many accounts people are buying, what's the payout. So, you know, I don't have any other. Then jump to an evaluation. Richard. Don't know how to deal with NQ now. Well, I'm just waiting for NQ to show a clear direction. For now, it's, I don't know. Look at the 5 minute. It's absolutely crazy. Repricing this 5 minute fair value gap. This could be a point where price wants to turn. The question is it want to go back? I think there is a high probability that it wants to squeeze everybody. Look at these equal highs up there. And we have the 18K level. So might be having a turnaround and squeeze everybody to above 18K. I think this is a decision point in NQ. Took short on the 30 seconds. Let's go, Bassett. Let's go. Just be careful there. Be careful. I might gonna take a trade later on this evaluation. We swept liquidity here on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute does. We have a bullish order block on the 1 minute, so Could be dropping all the way down to 800. No clear shift in structure yet, only, you know, poking into this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and then might be getting lower. I don't know. All right. I jumped into a long. Maybe I shouldn't have. I want to target the 90s again. Let me check again. What can we see up here? Yeah, 89.75. Not my favorite area. I might gonna put it to break even if it gets to 38. Yeah. Don't really like this trade. Not my favorite by any means. Only with one micro, guys, so nothing crazy. And I'm gonna put it to break even if it gets to 38-ish. So closing most of my longs. Been great morning. Yeah, it was. Thank you for being here, Motivation Healing. It was good to have you. Congrats on the profits. Looks like I'm gonna get wiped out here. I'll wait for pullback before I consider another long. Yeah, good idea. You might be doing it right. I'm gonna get wiped here. It's actually not that big a deal. It's like $100 with one micro. I don't even know how much is this. 70. It's like, yeah, it's fine. If it gets to 38, I'm just gonna put it to break even, and or maybe not break even, but put my stop to 900. Actually, I could put my stop to 900 now if I would like to. But I'm gonna wait for this candle to close on the 1 minute. Oh no, not looking good. Start setup happened already, boys. Got a good move. All right, see you later, apps. Thank you for joining. Hope to see you later. Have a good one. Price is still above the M15 trend line, so it may pop higher. It could be. Don't really want to chase it too long. If it starts to go sideways, then obviously it's not something that I like. But we're still in the kill zone. Still have some time to pop the 18K. Still waiting for that 38, 39 to be broken. And then we'll see. Then we shall see. Now it's just going sideways. What is wrong? What is wrong here? Should be fine. Uh-oh. Now it's not looking that bad. It's ranging, but might want to drop more, even lower. As I said, we have this 1 minute bullish order block at 55. It might want to go there. It can actually go. Looks weak. Looks like it wants to get back down below the 900s. Might gonna close it. Yeah, I'm closing it. I just don't like this this price action here. I closed the trade, guys. I'm not in the trade with the small loss, but I closed it. But this is the account right now. Still up 460. But I might gonna go back to this previous one. Looks like it wants to break lower. Oh yeah, it's not far. 10 points, super easy. And there you go. And should be going down to 53. How about that? Eager to jump in, so I jump in. No way, man. I wanted to chase it, and this is what I got. Oh, dude, I have to close it. Dude, that's unbelievable. I got caught red-handed here. Dude, I so much wanted to jump. And, I mean, you know, just to go lower to that 55 area. Of course, it's still repricing this gap, but I mean, right here. I don't know. I do like the order block down there. Perfect entry, you know. Oh man. But obviously this short entry is not that bad if we think that we're gonna go down to that bullish order block. NASCAR my long was stopped in profits. Nice trade. There you go. Congratulations, J-Ho. A lot of volatility, yeah. Yeah, we'll be safe. Hope to see you soon. J-Ho, thanks for joining. NVIDIA opened under 100, reclaimed it, and now under it again. You're good, but still missing a method. You need one additional element. Yeah, I'm looking for something more. Something more to, I mean, I see the levels so far. I'm confident that I see the levels. I can outline the structure with the levels, and I see when it's shifting. but yeah, sometimes it's just a little bit hard to determine, you know, which exact entry point would be the good one. But did I not tell you about the 15-minute? Oh yeah, you did. Dude, I have to look into that. I know you did. I know you did that. I have to look into that. I'm gonna close this because my entry is very bad. Although I still think that we're gonna go down to 850. Hold on, 852-ish area. I think it will go down there. $855, sorry, 855 area should be taken. Right there. Let me delete this. What else do we have? This. Yeah, 855. So I see the levels. I just don't know why I mess up. I mean, I mess up the entry level, the exact entry point. I'm guessing it's because of the lack of patience I have. Look at that. And there you go. I should have just held it. So that's the issue. That's the issue. Draw a trend line on a 15. Well, we can draw some trend lines. It never hurts, you know. We're gonna draw some trend lines. Let me delete these lines. Okay. Let me delete that. Let me delete that. Okay. Let's draw some trend lines here. There is one here. It's quite interesting. How about that? It might not be perfect. Everybody draws trend lines differently. I use the wicks usually. There's another one. Depending on how you draw it, you use the bodies of the candles, or you use the wicks, or whatever. There are like, I know that there are like 10 different ways to draw trend lines. Oh, that's it. Now that would have saved me. Oh, I see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is true. Man, I have to flip some evals. Let me see. Yeah, I need to flip some evals. But might be going lower into the order block. I don't know. Yeah, can be a pullback. Saved or confirmed. Yeah, exactly. Do you know on Take Profit Trader from on Pro account what the profit limit taking is? I think Only on evals. If you're asking about the consistency rule, it's only on evaluation. There's no consistency on the funded account, Richard. So that's a good thing. So yeah, only on evaluations. Only evaluations. On funded accounts, you can pretty much do whatever you like. So that's a good thing, I guess, at least. So oh, I didn't do anything. All right, let's run this. Okay. Are we going down to that order block, or what is going on? Yeah, we might be getting deeper into this bullish order block here. I'm not in a trade, but what is happening with the trade cop here? I wonder. I have to check it. Copy trading. Okay. Yeah, we're going lower. Taking out the order block, I think. Yeah, absolutely you can, Richard. You can. I'm considering becoming take free trader shield. Apex on MyFunded account or MyFunded Futures. I would choose MyFunded Futures. I would choose MyFunded Futures, Razvan. The expert account has no consistency. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Jeho. Yeah. Though even funded, yeah. Hello, GG Trade Consult. I'm gonna go long. Should I don't know. What I think for now is that we are in this bullish 1 minute order block, and the low of that is at 794 ish. It could be breaking it, so it could be just breaking the order block and then goes higher. It's a little bit dangerous, I think, to jump in like that. So, you know, which is better? I would go with MyFunded Futures. Absolutely. Because it's not just cheaper, you know. I mean, Apex is obviously has its, you know, the plus is that you can have more accounts with Apex. It's obviously cheaper upfront cost. They used to do some good sales and such, you know. But if you're looking to go with end of day trading stop, you know, faster payout policy, then, you know, and you're confident that you can pass the account in 30 or 60 days, then obviously MyFunded Futures is a good deal. It has no activation fees in the price. So, you know, then I would go with if the ultimate, there would be one ultimate choice for me to choose between Apex or MyFunded Futures, then I said it many times that my favorite would be MyFunded Futures, definitely. Equal low is about 791 Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. The bottom of the order block would be down there at the 94s. Does Bilonox accept DCA? Yes, you can DCA with Bilonox. You can trade the news. You can do whatever you want. There is a consistency rule that you have to watch for, which is 40% on the funded accounts. So basically that's it. How many accounts? You can have up to 10 evaluation accounts, 3 funded accounts, or maybe more evaluation, 3 funded accounts, but you can have up to 10 or 11 funded accounts. Now it goes like this. If you have 3 funded accounts, then you can add more funded accounts, but only when one account is above the safety threshold. So that's how they add funded accounts to your portfolio. So for starters, you can have up to 3 funded accounts. So whenever one of these funded accounts gets above the safety threshold, they can add more and more. And the top is, I think, 10 or 11 funded accounts that you can have. But you need to take those accounts above the safety threshold, and that's when they let you to add more. Now you can do more evaluation accounts, and you can also activate them, but they're going to put them on the quote-unquote shelf. And you know, whenever you get one account to above safety threshold, or unfortunate reasons you blow one, then it's going to get activated for you automatically. So so you can do in the background more evaluations if you want to. All right, no problem. Marco, thank you for being here, and congrats again. Thanks for reading. I hope you got the PayPal there. All right, I sent it earlier. May you should make a video talking about MyFunded Bilonox, Topstep, and Apex. Yeah, I want to. I'm absolutely behind schedule. I did some videos about MyFundedFutures, but those are getting outdated because we have the new starter plan already. I want to talk about that too, and about Bilonox too. But yeah, should do that. All right, Marco. So I should do that. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. This one is just slipping lower. The kill zone is officially getting over here, so we'll see how it goes. You know, gotta be careful. Please do for Bilonox. It's hard to always keep track. Seems they don't use trade await. They don't use trade await, but I think they will. I don't want to jinx anything, but hopefully they are working on it in the background. I'm gonna ask around with support as well, but they're working in the background. So yes, that would be great, obviously. That would be awesome. So this is the second time in this stream I'm saying it. If you would like to support my channel and me being here full time, because I'm not making a living from trading, not yet at least. Without the help of you guys, I could not do this. So if you ever purchase an evaluation account with any of these prop firms, just use my code. tomsabo works everywhere and gives you the best discount on any of these prop firms that you see up there. But we have more prop firms as well in the description of the video or the stream, so check it out. If you purchase anything from Fast Track Trading or Topstep, please consider clicking on my link. That gives a little bit credit to the stream. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. Thank you. All right, what is going on? We're not breaking the bullish order block now, and I don't know how long does it take for it to do that. Obviously, it's not mandatory for it to go through, but that would be the real deal. I still feel like if I go to the 15-minute, there could be a squeeze higher. But there is a fair value gap on the 15-minute at 774. So I'm going to put a marker right there. Right here. So liquidated my top stock accounts. Oh, your main strategy was DCA. I can't use my. You can DCA with MyFundedFutures, but I mean, yes, if your sole strategy is DCAing, then no. Yes, I understand. Looking for low cost entry to start building a profile. I would go with GG Trade. I would go with Bilonox, low cost entry. Obviously, right now with Bilonox, Bilonox is paying constantly. It paid out my account. It pays not just for streamers, but for people I know on Discord and everywhere. It pays people out. No questions asked. So far, they are trustworthy, and I hope that I can work with them in the long term. So I'm building a portfolio with them as well, as much as I can, with more multiple accounts. So that's the cheapest upfront cost, you know, with every, and I'm saying it to any one of you guys. If you're looking for the cheapest upfront cost prop firm, right now, currently with the 90% sale, it's Bilonox, but only the option 1 accounts, which is the intraday trading stuff. So that's the cheapest one. You can get an account for $17.50. So, oh, thank you, GG Trade. Tomsabo code is going to give you the 90%. Tomsabo 2 gives you 45%, but that's only for the option 2 accounts. So option 2 accounts is the end of day trailing account, and it has a daily loss limit of $1,100 on the 50K. So Tomsabo 2 gives you the 45% discount, but obviously the option 1 is the cheapest that goes with Tomsabo. Oops, sorry. So right now, it seems like we had a market structure shift with a small fair value gap. I'm not trusting this until the order block is not liquidated. So I don't think I'm gonna jump into this until then. Yeah, option 1 is intraday trailing stuff. So option 1 is like the copy of Apex. So intraday trailing, but it locks in after $2,600 on the 50K account. So it locks in at 2,600. Basically, that's it. You can pass an account in 1 day if you want to. So that's also a good thing. But the difference with Apex here is that you have to trade for 5 minimum days. So that means if you pass an account in 1 day, then you have to flip the account with 1 micro, for example, every 4 days. And you can activate it. But that's how I usually, if I want to pass a Bilonox account, I try to go crazy. Don't do this at home, but I try to go crazy, and I buy a few evaluations, and I pass it in 1 day, and then I push the button for the next 4 days. But because anyway, I have like multiple funded accounts right now, and I didn't really want to waste time on more evaluations. The only place I have to really be careful is with MyFundedFutures, because I have some kind of a curse on me or anything. I don't know. It's so hard for me to pass evaluation accounts with MyFundedFutures. Not that they are bad. I just do crazy things. Have to work on it. So yeah, option 1 is intraday. Option 2 is end of day trailing. That's that's the cheapest one. If you're looking for another version of cheap but end of day trailing, That would be MyFundedFutures. It has the activation fee built into the price. So now you can get it for $76 with the code that gives you 5% discount. It's not much, 5%, but it gives you 5% off, and it's $76, but it has the activation fee built in, so you don't have to pay activation fee if you pass. For example, at TopStep you have to pay the $149. 149 activation fee. Here it's built in. Also, Bulonox has an activation fee, of course, $148 for the 50K accounts, so don't forget that. Anyway, I think we might be going higher. I don't know. Well, guys, what can I say? We are out of the kill zone already. And I don't think I'm gonna take trades until the New York kill zone starts. Made some nice profits on evaluation accounts with Apex and Bulonox. I might going to trade some more evals with MyFundedFutures. We'll see what the market opens. So I'm gonna call it here, but I'll be back in New York session. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll be back. I'm trading every day in New York. Thank you so much for being here, guys. It was an interesting session, and what a drop. We don't see this every day or every week or even every month. So thank you for everybody. Stop being a hater. I'm not a hater. I'm not a hater. All right. So see you guys later, and it was a great session. I'll be coming back. Have a good one, and support the channel if you can. See you guys later. All right. Peace.